Very good morning, children. Today we will start again our GK chapters. We have completed, as you know, we have completed till the page number 16. So today we will start from the page number 17. And this chapter is And the Trophy Goes To. So chapter name is And the Trophy Goes To. In this chapter, we will learn about the different trophies, and these trophies are associated or connected with which sports. So we have to complete a match the following segment here. This chapter is based on this question, match the following, in which we have to match the trophies with their specific sports. Okay, so you can see there are so many sports and so many names of the trophies are given. So first trophy is Davis Cup, Westchester second, third is Tour de France, fourth Ashes, fifth Thomas Cup, sixth Aga Khan Cup, seventh Walker Cup, and eighth is Durand Cup. These are the names of the trophies, and here their associated sports names are given, like cricket, cycling, polo, golf, football, hockey, lawn tennis, and badminton. So children, yes, of course, it is easier task to match these sports with their trophies, but it is important to discuss about the sports, what type of sports these are, which are given here. Like cricket, cricket is the most famous game of our India. Yes, of course, we all love to play and watch the cricket. And there are so many one of the best cricketers we are having in our country, like Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, these are the best, some of the best cricketers. Now the cricket is a team sport. Okay, 11 players are there: wicket keeper, bowlers, batsmen, okay, and all rounder. These are certain information about the cricket. Now the next sport is cycling. Children, cycling, this is like a cycle race in which so many peoples they can take part in the cycling, and they have to ride a cycle, a racing bicycle, and they have to start the race from a specific fixed area, and they have to reach up towards the certain fixed point. So this is all about the cycling. Now the next is polo. So what is polo? I think you don't know. So polo is a game played on the horseback. It is a game played on the horseback between two teams. Between the two teams, there are two teams in the polo, and the players uses the horse and the wooden balls and mallets. Mallets is like a stick. Okay, and in this polo game, two teams of 4 players. Two teams will be there, and each team having 4 players. Okay, so this is about the polo. Now the next is golf. What is golf now? So golf, again, it is actually the players of the golf, because the name of the game is golf. The player who plays golf is known as golfer. They play with the clubs. Clubs are like a hockey stick. And they have a balls. So this game is played by a stick known as club and the balls. So they have to hit, golfers have to hit the balls by club into the clubs into the hole on a golf course. Golf course is a open area full of grasses, and there are some holes, and the players have to hit the balls, and they have to put the balls into the hole. So this is all about the golf. Now the football. Football It is the most famous game of the world's most famous game. It is a team sport played by a spherical ball and between the two teams. This game is played by the spherical ball and or saucer. We can say saucer or spherical ball, and there are two teams. Each team carries 11 players. Okay, this is all about the football. And the next is hockey. So hockey, you all know, hockey is also termed as or known as or famous as a national game of the country. It is our national game. So in the hockey, the sports, again there are two teams, and they hit the ball. Hockey is played by the ball and the hockey stick. So this is all about the hockey. Now the next is lawn tennis. Lawn tennis is what? It is like a tennis. Lawn tennis is also like a tennis played by the two players. Either lawn tennis is played by the two players, or sometimes it is played by the four players, means couple of players, and by the rackets and the balls on a court. Now the next is the last one, that is badminton. Again, the badminton is also played on the court by the rackets. Rackets are light weighted. Okay, rackets are light weighted, and it is first played. I want to inform you that the badminton is first played in the England. Okay, and it is played by the rackets, light weighted rackets, and the shuttlecock. Okay, so this is all about the information about these sports. Now we have to match these sports with the trophies. So first trophy is Davis Cup. This Davis Cup belongs to the lawn tennis. So lawn tennis, lawn tennis. Davis Cup, lawn tennis. Next, Westchester Cup. So the Westchester Cup belongs to polo. This game polo. So Westchester Cup is associated with polo, sports polo. Now Tour de France. Tour de France. This trophy is related to the cycling. B. Now the next is Ashes 4. So Ashes, this trophy is belongs to which sport? So it belongs to the cricket. A. So here I have written A. Now the next is Thomas Cup. So this Thomas Cup is the trophy which belongs to the game or sports badminton. So I have written H here, badminton. Next one is Aga Khan Cup. This trophy is related to the hockey. F. So I have written F over there. Now the next is Walker Cup. Walker Cup belongs to the golf. So D. I have written D here. Last one is Durand Cup. So Durand Cup is related to the sport football. So E. So children, this is all the match the following. We have matched the trophies with the sports. Now there is again interesting fact, that is Froggy speaks. So Froggy says Ozeki Koneshiki was brought up in Hawaii, USA, but moved to Japan in 1982. He is the first non-Japanese sumo wrestler to become a champion. So mostly all the sumo wrestlers are the fighters, like the Kushti in our India. So this is the traditional fighting, belongs to the country Japan. The origin of the sumo fighting is of Japan. So mostly the fighters belongs to the Japan, but here the name Ozeki actually belongs to the Hawaii, USA, but he was a sumo fighter, so he shifted in Japan in 1982. So this is all your Froggy want to say with us. Now children, after this I want to give a question. This is your classwork, so you have to do in your GK book. but I want to give a homework also which is related to this chapter, and that is, there is a question. Write the 2 player names belong to each sport. Here the same sports I have written: cricket, cycling, polo, golf, football, hockey, lawn tennis and badminton. These all are the games, or these all are the sports, the same sports of our chapter. You have to do what you have to do. You have to write the name of the player. At least you have to write 2 names of the player, 2 player names. One player belongs to India and other one will be from other countries. So for example cricket, so आपको एक कोई भी क्रिकेटर, इंडियन क्रिकेटर लिखना है एंड द अदर वन फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज, एंड वो दोनों ही बेस्ट होने चाहिए. ठीक, इसी तरह आपको सारे ये कंप्लीट करने. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क फॉर टुमारो. सो प्लीज़ डू इट and show me the answer. Okay, so I hope you all have understood and enjoyed this chapter. So do it and learn this chapter. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.